franchisee opportunity. And every alternative day or Saturday, I'm coming at 12:30. Today we are right now live all our channels like LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So if you are interested in taking up franchisee, and the brand which I'm going to talk about are very famous and they're doing very great in the market. They are into Buffalo category, and the name of the brand is London Bubble. So today we have our guest Ria, who will introduce or will tell us more about the London Bubble, how they have started their journey, how many franchisee they have, what is the brand investment. So stay connected with us till the end and get to know more about the exciting opportunity, so that it will be helpful for the decision. So hi Ria, and for joining us.
Hi Vandana, how are you? Hope you all are doing well, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to bring our brand on board. And I'm very delighted to connecting with you and everyone. Yes.
Yeah. So can you just please run us through journey, how London Bubble has started it, when they have started? Our viewers are excited to know about it.
Sure. So our
Yeah.
company is not so old company, which is like it's 2017 where we
Okay.
started our work, and right now we are on we are running 150 plus stores pan India, and we are going abroad as well. So that is how it is. So London Bubble Co is
Okay.
basically
Yeah. If you can tell
yes.
us more about the menu, like so that it will give us. Yeah.
Correct. So London Bubble Co is basically a dessert brand where it's a new type of a dessert which comes, which is a batter, a dough, which is cooked in a different variety of shapes,
Okay.
size, which is characterized in a different types of pattern with a lot of flavors,
Okay.
fillings into it. With waffles, we also
Okay.
have added pancakes, milkshakes, burritos, and many more things which we are coming in.
Yeah. So as you said that the brand has not started, बहुत पुरानी नहीं, अगर देखा जाए बहुत ही अपने फेमस हो गए, और it is like famous among all the age groups, right? बहुत लोगों ने पसंद
Yes,
किया है.
yes.
It has
Because
been, yeah. That's
it's the journey like we started 2017, but right now we are running 150 plus stores, and plus we are into retail business as well. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि
okay.
पेंडेमिक में हमने काम नहीं किया है. पेंडेमिक में हमने बहुत मतलब वी हैव कम विद डिफरेंट आइडिएशंस टू गिव इन
Hmm.
रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ द लंडन बबल को. Of course, our brand is into a retail trade where we are collaborating with
Hmm.
retail stores, which is like Big Bazaar, Flipkart. We are coming online. We are selling products on Flipkart as well. So yes,
Okay. So these are the that the London Bubbles have.
yes.
Like अभी कुछ कर रहे हैं, and you have certain plan for the future. Okay. So let's move to the next slide, Ria. Talk about, because आपको भी पता है कि there are so many brands who are giving franchisee. I just want you to highlight of the strength, or why it is will be a good idea for our business, because if they are opting a London Bubbles franchising.
Okay, so basically, when we start choosing a brand of in a market of food industry, so the clients
Okay.
has their mind that this is a new business for us when they come to us. So this is something very new. We are not
Yeah.
regular with this kind of a thing. So
Mm-hmm.
उनके पास क्वेश्चंस ये रहते हैं कि क्या प्रॉफिट्स रहेगा, कैसा है, क्वालिटी क्या है. मेन द थिंग इज मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स द क्वालिटी, what quality we give.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
LPC
Hmm.
provides and support in all aspects, right from the finalizing, collaborating till running of the store. We do 360
Okay.
degree work.
Okay. So you are saying the strength is आपकी quality of जो ऑफिस की है वो different है दूसरे brand से, and it is delivering it इंग्रेडिएंट सब डिफरेंट करता है, वैरी
Yes.
करता है, जो कि आपका
Yes,
ओके ओके
because we have a manufacturing unit which we have set
ओके
up. So जो भी
ओके
बैटर है, जो प्रीमिक्स पाउडर है, जो बैटर है और चॉकलेट्स है, that is all being made by us. So वो क्या है, वो एक चीज क्वालिटी दिखती है and people love it when they go in our store and give us a feedback कि yes the taste is very fine. और हम मतलब कोई भी एक स्टोर नहीं, सारे स्टोर्स में, सब स्टोर्स में हम लोग मतलब सेम ब्रांड्स का चीजें हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं. टेस्ट में भी कोई
ओके
कॉम्प्रोमाइज
सो
नहीं है ना
यूनिफॉर्मिटी
तो.
इज देयर.
सॉरी.
So I'm saying that uniformity है टेस्ट की. इनफैक्ट फोटोग्राफ्स भी देखें आपके, ये जो कलर्स कॉम्बिनेशन आप यूज करते हो, यस ऑल आर सेम एवरीवेयर.
Everything is same. Everything is. It's just the color schemes we change according to the sizes and the जैसे किसी को colors हमने बहुत सारे रखे हैं options के लिए for the interiors and all.
ओके
So if
ओके
you see the
सो
our
इज इट अप टू
uh-huh.
या रिया, यू कंटिन्यू प्लीज.
So as you see the interiors of our stores, so the base.
Yeah, Ria. Okay, so viewer, I think there is some glitches, technical glitches are there. So Ria will join. Her voice not coming. So she is talking about the waffles that they have are very uniform. If I talk about taste and they color based on the requirements of the outlets that. So this is what one of the unique point that London Bubbles is having. Like they have introduced and even it favorable and every मैंने research किया, थोड़ा पढ़ा, तो they that this is the why they have introduced London Bubbles in India, because they know that Indian people also want these kind of uh, better and food that they can enjoy every time. Or ऐसा नहीं है, this is not only the view small kids are only enjoying, it is like enjoyed by 60 years old people also. So this is what makes full into the market. I'm just waiting for Ria to come back because there are some technical issue from her end. Let's go to the next slide where I'll talk about how many they have. They have right now more than 100 plus franchisees, and they have started their journey from Mumbai, started in the year 2017. Yeah. Can we next slide? So yes, we are presenting franchises opportunity every alternative day. My colleagues are also coming Monday, Wednesday. They are also showcasing this franchisee opportunity. London Bubble is the 35th opportunity, which I'm showcasing and discussing with our guest Ria. Yeah. So as we know that there are so many other brands which are same category. I don't know once Ria will join us that how it is different. From London Bubbles, and why people should join London Bubbles franchisee. Why not the Waffle House and Waffle World, Belgium Waffles? So there are crazy people. They want to take the franchisee. So yes, I want to discuss once Ria will come back. Stay connected with us. Yes, this is some technical glitches are there. Ria will explain you all these things. Yes. I'm just taking her back. Slide. Yeah. Ria, am I audible?
Hello.
Yes, Ria. Yeah. Are you there?
Hello.
Yes, Ria, you are audible, very much you are audible. So I was talking to our audience how London Bubble is different from other competitors existing into the market. So just run us through that from the existing franchisee. Yes, Ria. Yeah, I'm really sorry that some glitches are coming. I'm just taking Ria again. Ria, am I audible to you? Okay, okay. Let me run you through the whole proposal presentation. Then, can we move to the next slide? Once Ria will come back, she will read out all and she will run us through presentation. Yes. Can we go to the next slide, please? Yes, I want to discuss the financial. I'm just taking Ria again. Ria, you can continue, Ria. Okay, fine. Can we move to the next slide, guest? Okay. Yeah. So this is the ideal franchisee profile, which I'm gonna talk about, like which type of education is. Are they having any educational criteria, background? If any entrepreneur is showing interest, they should come from the same food background, or what are the skill sets required? If they are opting or taking up the franchisee, is what is the time required for them to invest every day? This is a very important point that we have to discuss from our guest Priya. So she has some technical issues trying to take her back so that we will discuss all this one by one, and you will have the better understanding that are you matching with their requirement or not. Yes, they have different models. One is kiosk model, other one is master franchisee. Also, their shop model also available with them. Then they have different investment. If I talk about master franchisee, where you can take and you can open a unit franchisee under shop and shop model is also available. London Bubble is open for that. So yes, the important factor and thing which is the money part. So if are we opportunity or not? So yes, it is very important. Total investment, space requirement, machine ROI, and how much it will take for them to get the ROI. Yes, I'll talk one
Hello.
and each every. Yes, React.
There was a network issue coming up.
Yes, it's
Am I
okay, Ria.
audible now?
I was just talking about our view. Yes, you're perfectly audible. Okay, so I was asking, how you are different from the existing players into the market, like Waffle House, the Belgium Waffle Company. Can you just run us and make us clear understanding, give us the understanding that how you are different from the existing players? Yeah. Yeah, Ria, you're audible now. You can. Should I run through the financials? Ria, are you coming back? Okay, let me explain the financials then. Yeah. Financial slides. Can we move to the next slide? Yes. So this is what to discuss, and this is the very interesting part for any business seekers to know that how many franchisee models they have and how much will be the investment that they have to do if, or so the investment which is required for kiosk model is model is 8 to 9 lakh, and space requirement is it's again depend upon how you want to take it. Like 150 to 200 square feet margin is 35 to 40% it is there. If I talk about kiosk model, so you have to take very less space. I'm again trying to take Ria because she can explain it in a better way. I'm really sorry, audience. Yes, thanks.
Yes,
You're audible now.
yes. Apologies.
Yeah.
Actually, I worked for some time. Yes.
Okay. So I was just discussing about the financial part, which let's go back to the backslide. You can tell us about the franchisee model that you have and how you are different from the existing franchise. Can you please show us the difference?
Sure. So basically, now we are running for the three modules, which is shop and shop. That's a kiosk module. So that's basically we people who come with a budget of around 8 to 9 lakhs rupees, and they want to when they want to start a business in a small platform. So
Yeah.
150 to 200 square feet, maximum 250 square feet, they allow us to start the store. And yes, people can come, but there is restriction store to sit down and have a quick bite, but people can come
Okay.
around, they can eat, spend some quality time over there. With that, there
Okay.
is also an online we do shop and shop.
Okay.
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 Second thing we
And
have.
master franchisee also we have.
Sorry.
Yeah, I was that you have master franchisee also that you are
Yes,
offering.
I'm coming on that part. So master franchisee is basically a client who is willing to own a city or a state. So, for example, if we have a client who wants to own basically a Rajasthan and or a Rajasthan state, or he wants to own a Jaipur in that city. So in that he can cover up 4 to 5 locations in
Okay.
Jaipur city, and he can sell that single store units.
Okay. Under that, right?
So in master franchisee, the profit margin becomes the double. Where you earn in a walk-ins or a shop and shop, in master franchisee you have a profit margin in a twice a way.
Okay. 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 So are you
Next thing is,
open right now for
yes, we are
master
open
franchisee?
for the pan India. Yes, we are open for pan India, and there is no filter actually. Anyone who is planning to start up a business on a small level of scale, we have 3 modules ready with us. So we have one walk-in store as well, so people can sit inside and have a quick bite. Plus the online Swiggy, Zomato, and other online things also we tie up with them.
Okay. Okay.
So
Yeah.
we
So
give clients
basically,
360-degree support.
okay. And
So
what
right
will
now,
be the ideal franchisee that you're looking for? Like who will be the right prospect for in terms of education, if I talk about, and then if I talk about background, skill set, time, how much time they have to invest, into the restaurant if they are taking up.
so there's a difference between the people who are into this business. They know.
Yeah. I think we lost again. Yeah, she's just connecting. Yeah. So I think I will take her. She's just joining because I'm really sorry, audience. There are some, that's why this is happening.
Hello.
Where we were. Yes, Ria, you're audible now. You're audible.
Yes. Yes. So there is a difference between the clients where who are into this business. They know how to
Yeah.
run the business in a technicality way, or doing something or the other ideations, or
Okay.
the sales push and everything.
Okay.
But there are mostly clients
Okay.
who are generally new for this business, and they
Okay. Yes, Ria. Okay. Okay. So I'm really sorry. There are some work that is coming, and just stay connected with us. We will try to give all the information regarding London Bubbles franchisee opportunity. I'm really sorry, viewers, for this interruption. Okay. So, Ria, am I audible to you? So yes, it is very important for any franchisor, to keep this franchisee profile, because we know that right set of people are very, very important when we are associating with anyone. Where we have to use it in terms of education background and time. So few brands or the models required, the business seeker should come from the similar background or education criterias they have. So that's why we have included this slide. We want to highlight that are they matching with their requirements or not. Yeah, this is the importance of this slide. Is back. Ria, am I audible to you? Showing. Yeah, I just want to talk about Buffers, how they are doing it, and as the most successful giant in the niche space of Indian dessert industry, Belgian Waffle company sell. If you see 20,000 waffle every day, 20,000 is not a small number. Unsurprisingly, its turnover is on the way to reach the 100 crores mark, making it one of the most successful startup. So this is a very vital and important information that I felt I should disclose or discuss with our viewers. So yes, London Bubbles have, recently during the pandemic also they have opened few franchises. So it's not like we have that during the pandemic we cannot open franchise and we should not sit back. No, but this is not correct, because they have opened franchises during the pandemic only, and their franchises are doing extremely good in this time. Yes. So this is one of the strength, or I'll say that positive point about the London Bubble franchisee model and the team, how they are supporting the generation of India that grew up eating waffle and jalebis has recently accepted bubbles, and this is really the change we can see, the remarkable change we can observe into the market. So we used to eat samosas and jalebi. Now we are eating buffets. So this is a new change, and we are adopting it. So this is a very, very acceptable market. I'll say open market that we have now. I'm just waiting again for Ria to come back so that we can discuss the opportunity of London Bubbles once again. Like the investment, ideal franchisee profiles, how many franchises they have made, how many failures they have made, if any, and how they are sustaining, giving support to the franchisees that they have. Am I audible? So yes, you know about it, that how buffets serve as breakfast food in country like USA, in India, a restaurant offer buffets in the dessert section in the menu. So thanks to the entrepreneur spirit that they have, introduced waffle, and we are enjoying the delicious and we are changing the taste bud have now started changing about small children and the elders also. So yes, this is possible only through the business seekers. They have shown their zeal and interest in taking up the franchisee or bringing our new ideas to the market. That is the valid point, I'll say. Okay, so we would like to about the founder of London Bubble. I'm just hoping Ria should come back.
Yes,
She
Bandha,
has.
I'm here. Actually, the network is fluctuating a lot now.
Yes, yes. So I was talking about our audience regarding the waffles and how business seekers have entered into the market. So that's why we are enjoying the food. Discussing about the education background skills, Ria, for your for your franchisee for London Bubbles. Yes, so there are again some fluctuations are coming from Ria's end. I'm really sorry, audience, for this fluctuation. I'm really, really sorry for this. But please stay connected, and thank you for your patience that you stay connected with us. Okay, so let's talk about the owner or the founder of the London Bubbles, how why he have introduced, and about him. So Mr. Sheikh has introduced the brand in India, and is one of the known and power pack entrepreneur we have in India, and benchmark successful. He has made modular across models. He have made successful business models that he has made, and he has given clear idea to our business seekers, to their franchisee, in terms of how they are supporting everything. So I'm just taking Ria again. Ria.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Ria. Ria, thank you for joining again. Okay, so India celebrate a different type of cuisine, and people have a very very loyalty towards their tradition, and as such, as such, for a long time have preferred to indulge in the traditional dessert of their religion. A decade ago, people used other the traditions, and sharing sweets, desserts. Now we are exchanging waffles. We are sharing and giving gift to our uh, friends, family. Let's talk about the financial view. This is the most interesting slide for all our viewers. I'm trying to take
Yeah.
Ria back. There is some network issue that is coming Ria's end, but of course I will discuss about the financials that London Bubble is following. Okay,
So
so if
basically,
Ria is joining, I'll take her. Ria, are you
I'll
back?
yes, yes, I'm back.
Okay. Okay. So quickly, can you just please run us through the financials that you have, the London Bubble is having? Uh, Right. So let me do it. So kiosk model that they have, and walk-in model that they have, in that the investment required is 8 to 9 lakh. A space requirement is 150 to 200 square feet. Margin is 35 to 40%. Well, suppose if you're talking about the walk-in model, it is 12 to 15 lakh. Space requirement will be 200 to 550. Margin is again for 45 to 50%. They have other model that is a master franchisee. They are open in locations. Like if I talk about the master franchisee, and then in the total investment, can we move to the next slide, please? Yeah, so the investment that is required is 25 lakhs, and as Ria was saying, that in master franchisee the margin they will get in a very lesser time period, that is 6 to 12 months is the duration that takes for getting the return for any the entrepreneur. So let's move to the next slide, where we are talking
Yeah.
about
So as you can see, we have kiosk and walk-ins store. Kiosk is basically investment will be 8 to 9 lakhs, where we deliver you the raw materials and the franchisee fees, which is included in that investment cost. With that, we give you machinery part. So there will be a 6 set of machines which will be procured by us and deliver it to you. And of course the marketing strategy will be a totally different level, where we'll be connecting through the social media, and there will be an Instagram, bloggers will be present at the stores, and online on there will be an online portals which will be collaborated with us.
Okay, so let's
So which
move to
comes
the next
under
slide then,
the
where I want to. Yeah, dear.
hmm,
Okay, so I just want to know one more thing, Ria. That how you have made a successful friends in the current scenario also. So it is really a very interesting part to know, because I was talking about with our viewers that people are thinking that this is not this is time to move or take new step. But how you have made these existing franchisees and successfully they're working, and what about your existing franchises also, how you supporting them? I just want to know that part also.
so basically the yes, of course it was situation where it was affecting the economy, but yet we managed and brought 5 to 6 clients, and they have been collaborated with us recently. So in the last month, we already had a good amount of, like a 2 or 3 store launch where we did.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
It's
like
all
the
on Pune,
sorry,
Maharashtra.
it
All you
it
have
was
opened in
in
Maharashtra.
no, it was in Delhi basically, but
Okay.
eventually we'll be launching Pune soon by next month. Yes, of
Hmm.
course. So
Okay.
yes, we are dealing few
Okay.
clients in
Okay.
Maharashtra as well, and we are on the verge of closing the deals. So, but yes, it was
Okay.
pretty good. It was pretty good
Hmm.
actually. Pandemic has created um, a good amount of economy has shaken, but yes, we are into a retail trade. We had a good collaboration done with CCD, that's Cafe
Hmm.
Coffee Day, and
Hmm.
soon we'll be launching with we'll be doing a collaboration with cinema, which I won't be
Hmm.
disclosing now, but
Hmm.
yes, it's
Okay. Okay.
on the verge of launch. Yeah.
Okay. So Ria, like how you're supporting your existing franchisees? Are how successful they are? Want to know that part also.
So right now the situation is the same for all the people
Hmm.
basically.
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
अभी जैसे ग्रोथ का टाइम है तो ग्रोथ हो रहा है, बट people are taking a new opportunity to
हम्म,
just fit
तो
in.
इज देयर एनीवेज आपका अगर मैं पूछूं कि आपका सेल्स पे कहीं पे असर डाला है और कितना परसेंट अगर डाला है मैं पूछूं तो?
या डेफिनेटली सेल्स पे तो असर हुआ ही है, बट
हम्म
वी डू मार्केटिंग प्रोग्रामिंग, वी डू अ कैंपेन बेसिकली फॉर द
हम्म
स्पेसिफिक
हम्म
स्टोर्स. तो
हम्म
ये चीज ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब कहीं पे सेल्स पुश नहीं हो रहा है, सेल्स पुश भी करते हैं, ऑडिट्स करते हैं हम बेसिकली, व्हाई द सेल्स आर नॉट हैपनिंग, इज देयर एन इशू इन द
ओके
स्टाफ, इज
ओके
देयर स्टोर में प्रॉब्लम है, रॉ मटेरियल
हम्म
में कुछ चीजें ये, सो हर चीज की ऑडिट होती है ऑफ कोर्स, एंड वी वांट क्लाइंट्स टू बी स्टिक विद अस फॉर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन.
ओके
तो वो चीज पे हम
ओके
ध्यान
तो
देते हैं. या
आप ओके सो रिया आई वांट टू नो वन मोर थिंग, जैसे कि हम सपोर्ट की अगर बात करें तो जब कोई लोकेशन अगर आपको सिलेक्शन करना होता है तो साइट सिलेक्शन में भी हेल्प करती है बिजनेस सीकर्स को जो न्यू आना चाहते हैं या ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं आपको?
डेफिनेटली वंदना, वी एक्चुअली देखिए अभी अगर इफ द स्टोर पीपल आर ओपनिंग इन मुंबई, तो मुंबई जिस सिटी में वी
या
गो इन पर्सन एंड हम सर्वे करते हैं वो जगह को, और वी
जी
ऑल्सो टेल आवर क्लाइंट्स दैट यू सी द प्लेस वेयर द क्राउड एंगेजमेंट इज मोर ऑफ, क्योंकि ये पेंडेमिक
हम्म
ज्यादा दिन तक रहने वाला नहीं है. इट विल टेक दिस विल स्टे लाइक 6 months or so, but after which uh,
जी
people are going to come out, they want something or the other, तो
हम्म
वापस कंटिन्यूशन में आ जाएगा. So we also tell people कि
हम्म
मतलब कुछ जगह आप ऐसी देखिए जहाँ पे ज़्यादा क्राउड एंगेजमेंट हो, लोगों का आना जाना हो, और there should be 2-3 competitive brands भी होने चाहिए, because people will more
ओके
get to know कि pricing, quantity, quality कैसे हम दे रहे हैं.
राइट ओके ग्रेट. अब मैं क्योंकि बिकॉज यू आर इनटू द फूड राइट, सो देयर आर
Yeah.
सो मेनी थिंग्स यू नो कि आपका इनिशियल ट्रेनिंग और शेफ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये
Yes.
होता है कि टेस्ट में थोड़ा सा भी वेरिएशन नहीं होना चाहिए. बिकॉज अगर मैं कहीं जाती हूँ मुझे सेम ये होता है, या वॉफल की मैं बात करूं तो आर यू गिविंग एनी इनिशियल ट्रेनिंग टू योरसेल्फ एंड हाउ यू आर डूइंग इट? और रिक्रूटमेंट पार्ट का बात करें तो आर यू सपोर्टिंग देम इन द recruitment of the staff or not?
Correct. तो बंदना, फर्स्ट थिंग पीपल आस्क कि प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं हमें, शेफ्स प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो स्टाफ ट्रेनिंग को कैसे होगा, मतलब ये सब चीज़ें. तो
हम्म
अगर हम लोकलिटीज में करें, लोकल जगह पे, तो शेफ्स ऑफ कोर्स हम फ्रेशर्स ही ढूंढते हैं, ऐसा नहीं ऑलरेडी पीपल आर देयर विद अस, लाइक हमने वो चीज़ पे हमने मैन पावर पे इतना ये नहीं किया है, बट वी हैव अ रीच इन द मैन पावर दैट वी कैन प्रोवाइड देम एज वेल. So the cities like Delhi,
Okay.
Metro cities where we can provide the staff accordingly. But training for sure is a part of a brand. हम ट्रेनिंग देते हैं. There is a 3 to 4 days training with the launch we do, and we
Okay.
give them the proper SOPs. Plus, when we come out with the different products, like a seasonal products जो होते हैं, तो अभी जैसे मैंगो seasons था, so we have come up with a different variety of waffles, where we can play a role of a mango. तो हमने उस चीज से हमारे स्टाफ है उनको ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग्स दी है. And yes, our team travel to the places and they give proper training to the people, to the staff. Yes.
Okay.
तो ये चीज
तो
एक हेडेक नहीं होता है क्लाइंट्स के लिए, ये सब चीजें के लिए, बिकॉज ब्रांड गिव्स एवरीथिंग.
अच्छा, ओके. एंड हाउ अगर कोई फ्रेंचाइजी कभी किसी ट्रबल में है, दे आर नॉट मेकिंग द वे you have planned, you are meeting, अगर मैं बोलूँ कि कैसे आप उन उलझनों को दूर करती हैं, how they are communicating, is there any through which they are reaching to the franchise manager, franchisers? Because I have understood from the business seekers, they want a very smooth process. So do you have a smooth process if they are facing any challenges? So how they are communicating and all? Yes, Riya, I want to know this from you.
Mostly in the terms of where majority on the rental basis.
Okay.
Network
Yeah, you are here, Riya. You are very much clear to us. We are audible. You are audible. Riya, you are audible. Please continue. So I think we have viewers who have connected with us. Manish Dubey. Hi, Manish. Thanks for joining us from Mumbai. If you're interested in the opportunity, you can please drop us your contact number. There are some technical glitches that are coming in this presentation. I'm really sorry for that. Riya is in the back.
Yes.
Riya, I'm talking to all of us who have joined from Mumbai. Manish Dubey has joined. Shupam has joined from Karnataka. So welcome, viewers. Thank you for joining and showing your patience when we are, going through this network issue. So I hope we'll clear all the doubts that you have.
Yes, Bandana.
I will take all the questions. Yes. So you're talking about, how they are communicating if they are facing any kind of challenges.
So clients face majority
Yeah. Okay. So Tarun has also joined digital marketing manager in pharma company. I would like to read out the comments which he has shared. I have 10 years of experience in digital marketing. Hi, Tarun, and thank you for joining us. Stay connected with us. We are just going through the London Bubbles franchisee opportunity. I will explain, and because of the technical problems, if you have any questions that you want to know more about the franchisee opportunity, you please drop us your phone number or contact details so that we will have after this session one-to-one discussion where I'll explain, or our London Bubbles team will explain about the opportunity in details to you all. I'm just talking to all our viewers who joined us. Is there and Manish Dubey, thank you for joining. And Riya is back.
Yes. So as
Riya, am I audible? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes. So
yes, you are. Please go ahead, Riya. Okay, Hubia has joined us and she has a question that do you provide cooking mix to the cooking team, or the franchisee have to procure the raw material for? I'll ask Hubia this question from Riya because I think she is the right post questions, and just stick with us and let ask this question from Ria. Yeah. Okay. One more question that has come from Javed, that what is the success rate of franchisee and what support will I receive on a day to well, I'm taking Ria again, right person to answer that question, Javed. Thank you. Thank you for asking this question. Stay connected. Well, let me move to the next slide where we have a Q&A. Ria, okay. So because of the technical issue, I'm really sorry, viewers. There was so many interruption and disturbance happened. So if you are really interested in taking up London Bubbles franchisee, please drop us your contact details so that we will have one-on-one discussion. Once again, we'll talk about the financial, about how they are supporting the franchisees and what is the success rate of their existing franchisee. As I have got the question from viewers, they wanted to know the existing rate and how they're supporting their existing franchisee during the pandemic time. And the next question is like how what is the mix that they are providing to their franchisees, which all location they are open, will help you understand all these things. One will connect one on. So I think I have to end this webinar now because there are some technical glitches are coming. Thank you, Ria, for joining, and I thank you for sharing all the valuable points. But due to some glitches, we are not able to. Disturbance has come. So if you want to reach out to us, please dial 9844443200. Even you can email us also, that is business@franchisebazaar.com. You can visit our website, that is www.franchisebazaar.com. We have many exciting franchisees that we have. You can join us, reach out to us, understand all the franchisee opportunity, because that is very important for you to know. End of the day, you are going to take the franchisee and it is like your business. You have to support them. Yes, so we have other 65 franchises lined up. So we were discussing about the 100 best franchisee opportunities. Stay connected with us, like, follow, share, and get all the updates from us. And we are going to come up next Monday where my team members will present the best franchisee opportunity to you all. So thank you and showing your patience to us.
Okay.
Thank you for joining all the viewers. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, Vandana.
So
Hello.
Ria, I answer the questions, and many viewers have asked the question. What we'll do, we'll take one-on-one question,
Sure.
because we have to end the session ahead. We have already crossed 1 hour. So just we are wrapping up the session. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining. Thank you.